Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I will be showing you how to make stickers on iPhone. So guys, the first thing that you will do is of course just simply go ahead and take a picture of an item or product that you want to make a sticker. Now you can just simply go ahead and go to the messages application into your phone. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to your friend message, and you should be able to see the plus icon on the left side of the screen. And right over here, as you can see, guys, you should be able to have an option over here, stickers. Select stickers. And now from here, I should have an option over here with the circle and select new sticker. And from here, it will open up your gallery, and you can just simply go ahead and select a specific photo that you want to make a sticker. And as you can see, it will automatically be a sticker and select add sticker at the bottom right. And from here, as you can see, we could select add effect. We'd go for outline, comic, puffy, and shiny. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And pretty much you can send it to your friend and you should be able to make your own sticker on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.